Welcome to Code with SP, the world of learning. In this video, we are going to study Python dictionaries. So dictionaries are collections and these will be unordered and these are changeable. You can change the values after you declare the dictionary, and these are indexed and these are written within the curly brackets. These are basically key value pairs like this. D is my dictionary which is written inside the curly brackets, and nation India, state Karnataka, college XYZ. When I say nation colon India, nation is my key, India is my value. Similar way, state is my key, Karnataka is my value, and so on. And these will be separated using the commas. And you can access the items of the dictionary by referring to the key names like D of state. When I say D of state, state is my key, so corresponding value will be written. So when I say D of state, the Karnataka will be written. And the similar operation can be done using the get method, like D dot get state. So it will return me the value for corresponding key. And you can change the value of specific item by referring to its key name. Like when I say D of college equal to ABC, now it will change the college value from XYZ to ABC. Let's take example now, like programming example, and understand. So I'll say X equal to, it's my dictionary, it will be written inside the curly brackets, and I'll say 1, and for 1 I'll give the value 1 like this, comma 2 colon 2 comma 3. So these are my key value pairs. Now I'll print my dictionary. So first time when I print it, the value will be as it is. Now I'll just try to get the value for the key 1. So I'll write y equal to x of 1. So sorry, then I can write print y. Now it will return me 1, and now I'll try to change the value of x of 1. So I'll write x of 1 equal to 2. Let me say I'll write 2. So it will return me 2, 2 and 3 when I print this whole dictionary. So let me save this and then execute this. So example dot py. So now I'll go to my command prompt. I'll just write python example dot py. So first time when I printed the value of the dictionary, it was same 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3. Then I tried to access the value for the key 1, so it was 1. And then I tried changing the value of key 1 from 1 to 2. Then when I printed the dictionary, it was 1 for 2, 2, 2 and 3, 3. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.